This is Tiffany. Welcome to our delightful ribbon collection, perfect for adding spring touch to any project. First up, we have our easy flower design featuring bright and cheerful blooms that capture the essence of springtime. Next, butterfly in flower clusters showcase vibrant butterflies enjoying the beauty of spring, bringing a touch of nature elegance to your designs. Our neutral color flowers offer subtle yet sophisticated flower patterns in earthy tones, ideal for more delicate and refined decor. For something playful, explore our decorative elements on ribbons with charming bows and whimsical springtime motifs that add a unique flair to your craft. Feel the summer heat with summer fruit ribbons, featuring juicy and colorful fruit that bring a sweet and refreshing vibe to any hot season. Lastly, sunny days with yellow brings a burst of sunshine with its vibrant yellow hues, perfect for brighten up your space and cheerful patterns. Let's see ribbon inspire your creativity and bring a season charm to all your decorations. If you like our design, press like and share.